Welcome back to another video of the Chocolate Stocks, where we discuss trading strategy, due diligence, and technical analysis on individual stocks as well as the market in general. So if you're looking for a hot stock, I can help you find a sweet spot. And if this is your first time at the channel, please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. It doesn't hurt you, but it sure helps us. Last but not least, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Let's get into the video. And guys, what a day. I hope you all are doing well. I hope your portfolios are growing with this recovery that we are having coming out of the correction. And guys, for me personally on the public portfolio, it's been a pretty good day. Finally back over the $4,000 mark. So guys, check this out. For the last week, I've just been down, and finally hit the 4,000 mark. Still down for the month, for the most part. Still got a long way to go. 3 months even worse. But you know, the thing is, we're on the road to recovery, baby. So I'm back over the $4,000 mark. So I do have some updates and news for you guys, but let's do what we do, baby. Let's talk some stocks. So here are the stocks that we're following based on the videos that I release. I'm trying to simplify this, guys, for you. So give me some feedback if you like what I'm doing to kind of stay in tune into what we got going on. So all the ones in red are down for the day. GEVO's down, SRNE is down, DARE, Microvision, APTX, BNGO, and UAVS. Now, if you see the emojis next to each one of these plays, it kind of indicates exactly what the perception is of them. So either you have the alarm next to the buy zones. So if something is currently in the buy zone, if you're not in on those plays, this is a great opportunity for a good entry point into these plays. For the ones that have money bags next to them, these are ones that I personally have bought the dip on. Microvision, I told you guys yesterday in the video, any and every time Microvision comes under $14 or under $15, I should say, in the $14 range, I will buy some Microvision. Same thing with BNGO. Every time it comes into the $7 range, I will buy some BNGO. With Inseego, INSG, yes. And if it comes under $10, I will buy some INSG. All right, guys. With UAVS, we got our eyes on that. We're still looking for the $6 range. It was at $8 yesterday. It is at $7 today. We're looking for $6 to enter that trade. FUBO, I gave you that play also this week. I told you what I was looking for, an entry point. I got in today. We're going to talk about that. So first, let me talk about Microvision, MVIS. The reason why I want to talk about that is because by the emoji that you see on the screen right now, this is a rinse and repeat stock for me. Okay, guys. So I buy in the $13, $14 range. In this last correction, it came all the way down to $12 and $10, right? But you buy low, and I know that consistently it hits $18 to $19 to $20, right? And then it falls back down to this range. And that's evident by some of the articles that have came out on Microvision. So here's an article by Investors Place talking about catch Microvision stock at the right time for lidar market profits. Okay, so so the thing is, the gist of this article, I'm not going to read it all the way through, but what you want to look at here is Microvision at a glance. So if you want to talk a stock with a lot of potential, check out MVIS stock. This was trading at 22 cents a year ago and was above $20 in the not too distant past. The share price landed above $5 at the end of 2020, but had much bigger gains than that in this year, with a massive spike in February hitting a 52-week high of 24.18 on February 16th. I was there, I was on it. Okay, so the stock pulled back to the price area of $11 twice after that, once in early March, again in late March, and therefore patient investors might choose to wait for the stock to go back to $11 before taking a long position. Another strategy could be to start accumulating immediately, but only with very small position sizes and a plan to add more if the stock falls to 13, 11, or even 950. My range is 14 because that's where I have it at. So if we look at my position on Microvision, again, I have a 1432 cost average, but it consistently stays above that for the most part. Outside of the correction, it pretty much stays above that. Obviously, if it goes lower than 1432, I want some more of that. But going back to this article, again, it's telling you exactly what I've been telling you on this channel, how to play Microvision. Yeah, we're gonna hold it long because I see a lot of potential in this company, but this stock has a ton of volatility, which make it a perfect candidate for the rinse and repeat scenario. One other thing I want to point out is if you go to fintel.io and look at the institutional ownership of Microvision, you will see 2 new big dogs have added as of the 31st of March. All right. But what I want you to also realize is other than 1 or 2 financial entities, nobody is selling out of this stock. The last person to really sell out of this stock, well, last entity to sell out of the stock happened back in February, and they were probably taking profits. And here's where the big sell-off last was. This is November of 2020. Okay, guys. So since then, hardly anybody is moving out of this stock. So guys, if they're not doing it, then I think that you should play it the same way. People are bullish on MVIS. You should be too. But again, guys, we're doing the rinse and repeat technique. So get you a nice position. When it goes strong, you sell some of that. All right. Take your original investment out if you can, if you made a decent amount of profit. If you're 40 to 50% up, consider taking some of your profit. That way, when it comes back down, you can re-enter the play and ride it right back up, take that profit and put it in other plays. That's what I've been doing. All right, guys. So again, I just want to remind you, I gave you this play on February 28th, 2021. This is what the sweet spot was for me through my due diligence at the time. Never thought it would come to $13 or even $11, but hey, we know that those are targets that it could hit at some point during another correction. So for me personally, anytime it's in $14 range, I will pick up some more. I will add to that position, because when it runs up to the price target, I will sell off some of that position. It will come back down. I will rinse and repeat. I'm just telling you how you should play it too. Okay, so moving on. I have a buy alert for you guys. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, I got into Fubo TV today. All right, we've been tracking this. I've been trying to hit it with a limit order. So today, right now, it is currently up on the after hours at $22.20. All right, guys. So if we go to the portfolio, I hit it with a limit order earlier today and already up almost $6. It went up as much as 10 today, and it had a pullback, hit a high of 23.10 before a little bit of a pullback. But what I want you to notice is, here's my average cost, $20.95. I hit it with that, bought the dip right there, got that dip right there and rolled this baby up. Okay, guys. So please, if you're into this play, post in the comments, where did you get this at? I am in at $20.95. Okay, where did you guys get this at? Because our sweet spot was in the $21 to $22 range. I hope that you are able to get it there. Hey, I hope you got it cheaper than me. It came down to $20.90 today. So guys, what is the exit plan? We're gonna hold for 46 or even 60. All right, guys, we're gonna hold and see where this goes. But now that we are at this low cost per dollar average, we are in the best risk to reward position. All right, guys. So last but not least, YOLO stocks, YOLO stocks, and not very much movement on AMC or GameStop today. Let's look at the 1-day chart. And again, guys, we're just hanging around this channel. this $10 support channel, $10 to $10.40 support channel, guys, it's still respecting the same lines. These are the same lines I've been drawing over the last few trading days. And hold on, let me shift this over to back to that view. Okay, so here's today's trading day. Here's for yesterday's trading day. Again, guys, you remember what we talked about yesterday, staying in this channel. Well, it broke this 1040 support, but it still found support at $10, right? But if you look at a bigger view, we're in the same channel that we were trading at prior to yesterday. We were trading at 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days. Okay, so guys, we're okay as long as it doesn't break this $10 support. But again, if you're bullish on AMC, you're going to buy the dip when it comes down to where you get it at. So I'm going to buy the dip if it comes down to where I got it at. I'm in the $6 range, but if it comes down, I will buy the dip because, again, as we said yesterday, one of the price analysts upgraded AMC to a buy, and they gave it a $13 price target, which was previously a $7 price target. So, guys, stay in this play, buy the dip, you're okay. All right, guys. Next, GameStop, GME. All right, so first we're gonna look at the 1-day chart. And as we can see, we tried to break out of this 189 channel, hit a high 192, but still is within the same trading channel, and actually created a new line of support today. So we're hitting around this 184. So this is getting tighter. You know, at first, if you look at the week chart, we dropped from this 194 to 189 channel down to this 180 to 189 channel, but now we're tightening it up between 184 and 189 this trading day. And again, guys, if we zoom out a little bit more, and I should remove some of these lines over the next couple of videos, but this is the same where we at today. We were in the same channel back on March 30th, and even below this channel on March 29th. So guys, if you're feeling frantic, don't worry. Just look at the big picture, look where we at, and guys, you should feel good about where we're at now. If things change, I'll be the first to let you know, but that's all I got for you guys today. I want to thank you for sticking around for the whole video. And again, if this is your first time at the channel, please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Again, it doesn't hurt you, but it sure helps us. In the meantime, I hope you guys are doing well. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.